What's up, everybody? I wanted to go over this earnings trade in LUV. I think it's a good example of something to trade when the market's still kind of chopping around like it has been. So we have the daily chart. Airlines have been weak, kind of triple bottom-ish or descending triangle breakdown, looking like it could go lower, or maybe it's trying to hammer out a bottom here. So earnings were out this morning, so that should just bring some extra volume into the name. So this is why we're looking at LUV. And the market's up, futures are up, the market's strong, and I'm coming into this thinking, this is just gonna either be a short trap where some people are going to try and come in below 30, or it's just going to kind of reclaim, and maybe on the daily chart we get some type of wedge pattern that actually breaks up here. So with all of that in mind, I come in off the open. This thing pulls down to 29.59 is the low. This is right off the open. I bought 300 at 29.75, giving to just below 29.50 as a feeler for, I'm risking $75 in that. And I'm like, okay, if it gets back above $30, which is the level on the daily, that's where I'm going to add. So pops back up above 30. I added another 400 shares. I moved my stop on everything to day's lows, then consolidates sideways, pulls down again, and then at this point I added again over $30 and moved stop on some of mine to this pivot over here. And then, I sold a little bit at 30.12, 30.22, 30.29, 30.33, 30.42, 30.50, 30.69, and then 30.77, just kind of selling on the way up, expecting a little short shakeout to happen and this thing to really not be able to break down, with the market being strong as well as it having earnings, and it being above this 30 level is really where I would expect at least a little bit of continuation up. And yeah, that's everything as far as this trade goes.